Another common one that I see is people wanting to grab the bottom of the gun. They're almost cupping the gun like this. This does not give you any leverage on the gun, no connection to the actual gun with your support hand. You're not really helping your dominant hand at all. You could be shooting one-handed just the same if you're just holding the bottom of the gun. So you want all the leverage and all the connection to the gun that you can. So you want to flag those thumbs high, make sure you press those palms in, and make that full connection with the gun.